So here, these are the two major things you should put in mind when you want to get a website using WordPress: a domain name and hosting provider. A domain name is the name of your website, the name of your business.com, your name.com, just like when we say alfredandco.com, jumia.com, stuff like that. So a domain name should be short and precise. It's not something that when I see your domain name today, I should not be like stressing myself to remember your domain name tomorrow. Those are the things you should take note when you want to choose a domain name. It should not be too long, should be precise and straight to the point. The second one is hosting provider. Hosting provider is the platform where your website will be like hosted, a cloud platform where your data and everything about your website is like maybe, can I call it a warehouse, a container where your files are being stored. So it's usually pay for a hosting package and you pay for a domain. Some hosting company, when you pay for a hosting plan, maybe yearly or monthly, you have a free domain name. You are free to register a domain name for free, but some do not give you for free. You have to pay for both. So some of the hosting provider we have Bluehost, SiteGround, and we have WhoGhost and Interserver, both internationally and in your local environment. In Nigeria, we have some local hosting company here. We have Truehost and some of them. I'm going to be showing you how you can install your WordPress script. We have other ways, but what I'm going to show you is one of the easiest and most relatable way of installing your WordPress. Here we have one-click installation, which is the one I'm going to be showing you, beginner friendly and stress free. And we have other means, which is stated here, that you can use to install your WordPress site. Hello, welcome back. Here I'm going to be showing you how you are going to install your WordPress, and this is the main space for your backend management. Once you pay your hosting company, you get a message from them where you have your cPanel password and username. You can decide to change it eventually. So you can get into your backend and install your WordPress, or through this personal profile with your hosting company. So different hosting company, they have different interface. So but from this just host platform. So like I said, different hosting company have different interface. So you just find your way on how to navigate on the space. So here you go to the menu and you go to advanced. Remember, we want to have access to our cPanel to install our WordPress script. Also, the hosting company must have sent your username and password of your cPanel. For each hosting and domain you purchase, you have access to cPanel. cPanel is the powerhouse where you do your customization and everything about your backend, the backend of your website. So we want to install WordPress. You scroll down, this is the cPanel space where you can do so many things. We call it the powerhouse. So you scroll down, you want to install the WordPress script. As you can see, Softaculous Apps Installer. These are the scripts that you can install according to the purpose of what you want to use it for. So this is WordPress. I've clicked on the WordPress. So Remember, we have this is a functioning site that already have a WordPress installed on it, so I would not click on this install. Even if I click on this install, I will not like complete the process because we already have one here already. As you can see, this is it. This is the WordPress that has been installed from this space already. But let's say you want to install as a new user, so you just click on this and you click on that install. This is what you get. You are here now, so you choose the name of the domain will automatically show because we have one here already. That is why this alphaadvocateslaw.com is showing, but the domain name you registered is what will show on this space. So you scroll down. This is the newest version. You leave it, don't make changes on that. So, and this is the site setting. If the site is going to be for blog, you leave this site name, but if it is for something else, you choose it according to your brand, what your brand is all about. And this site description, if it is a law firm, you put it there. A law firm in Lagos, a law firm in California, a law firm in Los Angeles, or your just tailor it according to your brand. And this is the admin, and this is the password. So the thing is, you see this admin account, you have to save it, screenshot it, or save it as PDF in any way you know you can keep it safe. The password and the username. The admin is the username and this is the password. You can decide to change the password later, but just keep it safe. So once you are done, if you have other plugins you want to choose to enhance the performance of your website, like here now, they already chose these ones for this site for optimal performance. So as we move down, there are other options, but you have to leave those ones to avoid complication. So when you click install, before you click install, you see this email inform installation details. You choose the email you want to use for the your WordPress information. Everything about your WordPress installation and your WordPress account will be sent, and the email will be recognized. If you want to change your password and all that, that is the email that will be used for that. So that is it. You save your username, admin and password. You can decide to change this later. So I will show you how you can change it later. So after checking out if everything is okay, you click on install. This is the part where you click on install. So when you click on install, it will load and to show you it is completed. So after that, either from here, this WordPress manager by Softaculous, or here you can access your WordPress admin space. Once your WordPress has finished installing, you will get a unique URL, a link. You will copy that link and you add it to your username and your password. It is that URL you will click on that will take you to the space where you will put your username and password. So once your script has finished installing, you have a space like this. Either you want to log in or you want to check if your WordPress is up to date. After installing your WordPress script and you have been given your unique URL, that is the URL for your admin space. So this is where you will get to. You put your username and your password. You know, we already saved this information, so I'll just put it and it's loading to sign me in to the dashboard. of the website. So from there we can start customizing. This is a ready-made website that is functioning and we have been working on it. So when you log in, the first time you log into your WordPress site, it will give you a blank space. There is a default theme that will be there already. So but you can decide to change that theme to, the theme you will use for a law firm is different from the theme you will use for a gym house or an e-commerce site. So you have to choose your theme according to what the brand is all about. So once you log into your space, you go to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. This is it. You know, everything is here. So this is I have spoken about okay, I don't know if I've spoken about plugins and theme. So the theme that is active on this space is here, expert lawyer. So you choose your theme according to your brand, because this website is a site for a law firm. So from here you can easily change your theme from this space where we call appearance. This is the space where you do your customization of how your website will look like, of how everything will be shown to the public. So all the customization, the changes you are going to be making on your website, it is from this space. So just click on this menu and do whatever you want and whatever changes you want to make. Let's say you want to make a post on your website, maybe it is a blog site and you have a post that you want to make. So you can see post here, you click on it, all the posts you have made will be shown here. If you want to add a new post, the category of post you are making and the tags. So let's say you want to do a new post, add new post. So it's loading. So you must have known what you want to post, the picture and everything. Whatever the post is all about, this is the space where you do your posting. Just as like you want to post on maybe on your Instagram page, on your Twitter and everything. So you add your title. Let's say you want to write maybe an article about ending corruption, ending corruption in my country. So ending corruption in my country, this is the title and this is the body. This is the body of your article. So you put everything. Maybe you want to start typing afresh, or you must have written your article, you just copy and paste it here. So let me show you what it will look like in the public view. Let's say you see this preview. Even before you click on this publish, you must have previewed it to know how it looks like. So I'm previewing it now. You can see that this is what it will look like. You just write the heading, no body. So just let's go back to now there's what we call adding image and media to your post. So we have options on how to add image. If you are using a blog editor, we have two ways of editing your post or writing your post. You can use blog editor or classic editor. If you are using blog editor, once you click on this box and this plus is showing, just click on the plus. They ask you whatever you want to put, whether you want to put image, another or other things that will make the post to be meaningful. So, and there's what we call a featured image, the image that will appear with the post. You know, when you get to a site and a post, there must be an image that will show you additional information about the post. So that's why we get this featured image. When you click on set feature image, is either you use the images that you have uploaded, or you click on upload file. You select file and it takes you to the image that you have saved on your phone. So this is where you navigate your dashboard. From your dashboard, whatever you do from your dashboard, which is the back end, is what will be shown to the public. Whatever you put there will reflect. So you have posts where you can make your blog post, write articles, and you have pages where you can add static content, major informations about the website that will be shown in the menu, about, contact, service pages, and everything that the website is all about can be done through the page. And media is when you want to add image, you want to add video to your post or to your website, and you want to put a downloadable content to your website, you go through the media. And appearance is where you customize your theme. Your theme is like a template, the you know arrangement of how the website will look like. So you customize your theme from the appearance, and you can change it. It's not something you change often, because when you maybe you choose a theme and you decide that I don't want this theme again, I want to try another one or change it to another one, you might not get the full information that you have entered on the previous one. So, and your theme can easily be broken, so you just have to be sure of the kind of theme you want to use. You choose it and you start making your customization. And plugins plugin is like a major part of bringing your website to life. Even if you don't have a coding knowledge, there's always a plugin to do whatever you want on your website. There is almost plugin for everything you want to do. Like you have an e-commerce site and you want a payment platform, you can install a plugin that people can be making payments there. There is a plugin for payment, plugin for SEO, and so many other things. So, and also your settings. From your dashboard you can make settings on all your options that you choose. So it's just for you to like practice, do try and error, like put something there and see how it will look, delete, and so just get yourself familiar with it. That is how you become an expert. So the next thing is choosing your theme. Like I said, theme is like a template of how your website will look like. And said earlier on, you have to choose the theme according to the brand. You want to build a site for a market space. That is what we call an e-commerce site. The theme you choose for an e-commerce site is different from the theme you choose for a personal brand. Maybe a portfolio site, you want to choose a portfolio site to tell people about your personal brand, or you want to build a site for an hospital. The theme will be different. You want to build a site for a dentist. You want to build a site for a lawyer. So you have to choose your theme according to your brand. Theme. And when you don't choose a theme that is aligning with the brand you are building your site for, there won't be easy customization. You'll be having issue So just to choose a perfect theme that will make your work easy. So the steps are listed here to choose your theme. You go to appearance, you see theme. After appearance, you see theme under it, and you click add new theme. So you choose from the theme that has been provided by wordpress.org. Then you can use a filter to write the kind of theme you want, not that you'll be scrolling from beginning to the end. Choose a word, maybe a theme for a law firm, a theme for a doctor and all that. So then you click install and you activate. When you activate your theme, you go back to your dashboard and you start customization. You must have seen it there. You see customization. From there, you can start making your changes to design your website to your desired goal. So, and you can also use Elementor. You can download Elementor plugin to customize your site if you don't want to customize it directly from the dashboard. So it's a bit different, but it's just a drag and drop platform that's quite easy. But most times you have to pay for the premium. Most of the features, 80% of the features are not free. So but some people prefer using Elementor to customize their sites. They pay for the premium and they have access to everything. So that is it.